Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you new dies from Inlovearts, and I have right here this set of borders. It comes 4 borders and you can use for cards, and I will make some cards, but I'm going to share those cards tutorials and samples in my short videos, and please watch them when you see them because I'm going to start teaching things in those kind of videos. See, so now in this set I have 4 borders and I'm going to show you in this paper. This is a very nice border and they are like cards. See, you can put them this way. On the side I have this one that cuts like this. See, lots of hearts, and you can use the small hearts for confetti. See, for shakers. And this one looks like this. See, a lot of hearts here. See, and if you want to enhance them, maybe you can put glitter in some of them so you can see the shape of the hearts. So I'm going to play with them and see which one is better to show you in a short. And as you can see, this one has hearts too, right here. And yeah, I love hearts for for my cards, and yeah, for my albums. So if you like to make cards for Valentine's, this is the time that you have to order these kind of dies, okay? Because it takes like time to get the order. So you will get 4 dies in this set. And for the next set of dice, you get 9 pieces. And I'm going to show you. I already put it in the paper so you can see. You get some locks and some keys. For example, this one is how you're going to cut. Then this one. And this key right here. Then this one is how this one cuts, and right here is this one. They are very delicate. And this one right here that says home, then right here this kind of lock, and this big one. So it depends on how you want to use it, especially for journals, for albums, even for cards. And I will leave the links in the description box as always, and also a coupon code. See? And for this set of dice you get 6 pieces, and this is for making an iris. See? And these are the pieces that you can cut in different colors. And I couldn't resist to make a sample. You know that I love flowers, so I'm going to put it right here so you can see better. Look, you don't need to emboss, nothing. You just put them together and you can make these beautiful lilies. Wonderful for a card, right? And I also made this white one with pink, so you can play with the colors. And for the sample I'm going to show you how to make this one. See, as you can see, it's very easy to put it together. I love them. See, and this is the next set of dies, and for this one you get 10 pieces, and you can make a beautiful card for rainy days, and you can make embellishments. See, and right here this is the boot. I'm gonna show you closer so you can see. See, this is how the boot cuts, and then the word right here that says hello. This one is good. Then right here is this part of the umbrella, and this one is the handle. Then these 3 flowers that are going to look like this, and you get 2 pieces for this one. And this is the sun, and it cuts in the center, so you can change the color, make it maybe lighter or stronger. And right here this rainbow with clouds, and you get 10 pieces here. And here is another set, and this one has 5 pieces, and I'm going to show you. This one is the first one, and I cut it in gold. Let me show you. It says garden right here, and it's beautiful. And you can make a title for a large folio, or maybe for an album that goes this way, because this one is 7.5 inches long. So if your album goes this way, it will be nice. So I'm going to make something with that, and I'll show you then. Then right here for this die, I cut this one right here and this metallic color, because then I'm going to paper piece these parts in different colors. And right here you get a tulip, and I already paper pieced this one with another color on top. I cut it in green, and then I put the pink flower on top. You can do any colors of the tulips, and that will be very nice. This is the grass and the fence. You can cut it in white, and it depends of the color that you're using for the background. Another set of dies is this one. This is a border that measures 8 inches, and this one measures 6 inches. So if it's in the machines that are 6 inches, and this one, and it's decorated with roses, and I have it up here. The small one looks like this. I'm going to put it right here. See, it's beautiful for cards, right? And I'm going to show you the big one. It looks like a big doily. See, it's very beautiful. You can make many things with this one. You can use it for a big card, for everything, and you can even fold it if you want and use it for journals. So this is the big one, and I have this border that measures 8.5 inches. And here is the sample. See, so you have a long strip right here, and I'm gonna show you. It measures 8.5. See, so you can even decorate these big papers. See, if you fold it in half, then you can have a big card with a nice border, or you can do it like this, and you can also cut it in the size that you need. And for the next set of dies, I have a bicycle, and you have all the pieces to make a dimensional bicycle, and also you can cut the pieces in different colors. I didn't finish cutting, but I want to show you how it's going to look. For example, up here I have the big one, okay, the big part, which is this one, and then the basket. I already cut the basket, and it has these lines that are embossed, and this one will go right here. Then you have the seat that goes right here. Then you have this part, which is like the chain that goes right here, and I think this is the pedal. Then you can use these circles right here to enhance the parts right here. And then you have right here the wheels, and you can cut 2 of them at the same time, and this one goes in the center. See, and it's going to look very beautiful. And if you have other dies, you can put flowers on top. So I'm going to do that in one of the shorts to show you how I put them together. See, so you get these 11 pieces to make dimensional bicycle. And this die is the last one, and it measures 6.5 by 6.5. So you have to use a bigger die cut machine, because this one is considered a large die, and this one cuts like this. See, it's very, very delicate, beautiful design. See, and this one is excellent for the cover of a mini album. Looks very nice, and it looks like glaze, right? Okay, these are all for the dies, and I have one more thing to show you. And with my order, I received a gift, and it was this stamp, and it's these 2 birds. They are so cute, right? For Valentine's. Very nice. I'll see if I can color this one. It's going to be a challenge, but I'll try. I'm very excited to make cards using these dies. And remember that I'm going to share my projects, my cards or something else in short videos. See? So stay tuned for those short videos. And also the links of all these dies are going to be in the description box if you want to get any of them. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.